What we're doing here is battery change on a Honda Odyssey 2009. What you're going to want to do is grab a battery memory saver, and we'll connect that to the cables here before we remove them, and that will keep your memory and your radio intact. And if not, there is a code that you're going to have to obtain. There's a battery hold down clamp on there. It's a 10mm. We'll go ahead and loosen up one side and completely remove the nut on the other. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is take a 10mm and loosen up your clamp on your positive side. That's the red one. And we'll go and wiggle that and then take that off. And then we'll do the negative side. I'm going to grab your battery brush or a piece of sandpaper and clean out all the corrosion in your battery clamps. Okay, now that those clamps are cleaned up, we'll go and we'll slide the battery out. Okay, we've got a new battery here. We'll go and drop that in our little battery box. So I put the battery clamp on there. We'll go ahead and tighten it down. There is a little J hook on the end that will fit in down below there. I'll zoom in on that if the rod disconnects. Okay, got that tightened up there, nice and secure in there. Take and remove this little tab here. Take our little brush here and clean the terminals up. If you don't have one of these, you can take a piece of sandpaper and get the oxidation off the posts. I will go ahead, take our positive, connect that first, and then we'll go ahead and connect our negative. Take our battery or memory saver off. You're all done.